Hey there, in this video I'll show you how to make tons of kindling very fast and most importantly very safe. So I made this much in around only maybe 5 or 6 minutes. The metal is very fast and very safe. So, and everything you need for this method is your hatchet or axe, and actually there are two methods I will show you. For one, you just need a stick. It's about maybe half a meter long like this, and it needs to be around this weight width, around the finger. I find this to be the best size and best dimensions. For the second method, you will need two sticks, basically the same kind ones, and a rubber band. Doesn't matter what kind of rubber band, as long as it's stretchy. So why do we need the stick anyways? It's obviously to keep your piece from falling down, and also so you don't have to keep your fingers here and you can chop safely. So it's very effective and it's really the easiest method. Okay, on to the next one. Of course your aim has to be good, unlike mine. And that's it. After we have roughly chopped it up, we can also use to hold a small piece like this. However, this is basically purely for safety. And okay, the next method is even better. We're going to use two same kind of sticks and a rubber band. You can use pretty much any rubber band. It just needs to be a rubber, so it's flexible. And what we are going to do is we're going to place our sticks like this, so identical, and wrap the rubber around here and make a tight knot. Okay, we have our knot, and what we can do now, you can use this as a wedge to hold our piece, and we can simply, you see, and we can safely chop the wood now. So when we place like this, you can easily hold very safely, and it won't move like it's the first method. If you use only one stick, it kind of moves, as you saw, and this is actually a much better method. Okay, let's see how well it works. Okay, perfect. Even a small piece like this, wedge it inside and chop it off. Yeah, obviously, as you see, it doesn't move anywhere, so it won't fall over. Like sometimes if you just use your fingers, it's really impossible to hold it in place and it just falls over. With this one, you see how easy it is. Okay, let's try one more. Missed. See how fast it is. Absolutely blazing fast. And that's done. Also, when you're making your kindling, make sure the stuff you're cutting up isn't full of knots like this, and it's fairly straight grain like this. For example, this piece will be almost impossible to cut up efficiently, and you'll struggle a lot. Make sure the stuff is very straight and without knots. our best results basically. Also, if you go check out my other videos, I have another method how you can make kindling very fast, and it's a bit different, and it's actually better for very small kindling. If this was helpful, make sure to hit the like button. See you!